So finally, we got the Pro version of the one we reviewed previously, the Tecno Camon 17P. Right now, we have the 17 Pro. And I'm excited to know how good this one as compared to the one that I reviewed previously. So let's go. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So right now we're going to unbox the Tecno Camon 17 Pro. There are some quick specs over here. We have a selfie camera that is 48 MP, 64 MP rear camera, of course a pro grade video camera, a big screen, 6.8 inch and 90 Hz of screen refresh rate, a big battery, 5000 milliampere hours, and 33 watts of flash charge, and of course Helio G95 powered. So yeah, taking it out of the box, let's simply just slide out this film. Let's see, and we have a nice color called ice silver, and yeah, truly it's really icy. And of course, just want to make a quick shout out to my friend, the ambassador of Tecno, which is Chris Evans, aka Captain America in Avengers Civil War. So this is how it looks like when I booted up the Tecno Camon 17 Pro. So before that, let's just quickly browse to everything inside the box. We have the warranty sticker. We have the user guide. We have a nice jelly case over here. And this one is quite something new, which I'm not really used to. A big 33 watts brick from Tecno. Your charging cable, and of course your free headset, and of course don't forget the SIM ejector pin. A quick tour around this phone. You have the loudspeaker at the bottom, and of course your Type-C port, microphone in, and of course your 3.5mm audio jack. And on the side we have your side fingerprint scanner / power button, and of course your volume rocker. On top you have your noise cancelling mic, and on the other side you have your SIM tray. And at the back, of course, your 64 MP quad camera setup. Quickly opening this one, let's just see it has two nano SIM slot and of course one micro SD card slot. It's of course you can maximize everything in this phone. Pretty good. This phone sports an IPS LCD with 90 Hz of screen refresh rate and 500 nits. And of course, like I said, it's a 6.8 incher. It's already 1080p. Now, this is running on Android 11 on iOS 7.6. And of course, I did mention a while ago that it's powered by Helio G95 by MediaTek, which is a 12 nanometer chip. It's a good gaming processor, and I believe it's going to give you some good experience on gaming. Now, watching some movies here on this phone, I can say that it's nice, but the 500 nits brightness, it's a little bit lacking for me. But overall, the viewing experience is nice. I was able to watch some videos on YouTube and of course Netflix, and yeah, did really enjoyed it. Of course, I did enjoy it with my headphones on. Now, quickly browsing through some benchmark, we have 360,000 points on Antutu, 100,000 points over at iTudo, getting a wildlife score of 1,507, and DRM info, well, just a level 3 for Widevine. Highlight of this phone is definitely its main camera. Now you have the 64 MP wide lens, 8 MP ultra wide lens, 2 MP depth sensor, and a 2 MP monochrome lens together with a 48 MP up front. Now let's take some quick shots and let's check it out. And of course, what can I say? The camera on this phone is definitely nice. This is the camera phone, camera-centric phone by Tecno, which is of course the Camon 17 Pro. I expect nothing less but clear and crisp shots from this one, be it on the selfie camera or on the rear camera. it's really something nice. Now this one has a battery size of 5000 milliampere hours, and of course I did drain it and charge it back up to 100 from 19% using its 33 watts charger. The charging time took a while, and it finished in around an hour and 48 minutes. And the next thing that we would like to check is of course the screen on time. Here we go, 10 hours and 39 minutes on PC Mark test. Well, it did last me a day, and of course on normal usage, some regular Facebook checking, some video watching on YouTube, and of course some mild games on this phone can last you for a day. But of course, usage might vary, and battery, of course, consumption might vary. If you play heavy games, do expect this one to drain out fast. Now, we did play some games over here using the Tecno Camon 17 Pro, and it's the Call of Duty. Now, this game, as expected, using the MediaTek Helio G95, it's really something, and yeah, I was able to enjoy the game, though I did put the graphics settings a little bit lower for it to be a little bit more smoother. Now, I was able to play roughly 2 hours, and yeah, getting away with lots of wins, and of course, expecting some frame drops on this one. And at the end of the day, I can say, well, this is not only a camera phone, but also you can play some good games on this one. So what can I say about the Tecno Camon 17 Pro? Of course, it's a big step up over from the Camon 17P, and definitely this one is not only your typical camera phone, but of course it's also a gaming phone, which can give you some good, nice experience on gaming. And of course, I do feel a little bit hot on this phone at the rear, playing roughly 2 hours. It's a bit hot over here, but of course you can always plug in some coolers to make it a lot cool. If you want to know where you can buy this phone, I'll drop it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?